diğer konuşmacımız Panduit firmasından Egon Süssinger'i konuşmasını yapmak üzere sahneye davet ediyorum. Mr. Egon.
Good morning, everybody. Do you remember what happened these days approximately 3 years ago? There is no wrong or right answer. You remember? I know you remember. We all understand COVID-19. So it was March 2020, 3 years ago. And then what happened? We were all locked in our offices, homes. We couldn't travel, we couldn't meet, we couldn't organize such effective conferences as today. Actually, our first conference in Turkey was in Istanbul last year, end of the last year. Very, very successful, not just for you, also for us. That's why we are again a co-sponsor of this event and looking forward to work with you in the future. So, before I start with the high-level Panduit presentation, I really would like to express in my name and the name of the Panduit company sincere condolences to all Turkish nation and Syrians as well, because this huge catastrophe actually was a very sad, not just for you, also for us. So just high level about Panduit, still privately held by one family in US, Chicago, more than 5,000 employees. Actually, we are really focused on the research and development, and that's why we are holding approximately 2,000 patents, working with more or less all the the biggest companies. In revenue, we are approximately $1.2 billion. We have 80 laboratories in Chicago, Tinley Park, that's close to Chicago, where we have approximately 300 very, very high educated people working, let's say, day and night to develop new solutions and new products. So, just global footprint, we have 9 manufacturing locations, globally 1 in Europe, in Romania. So quite a lot of our products we manufacture in the Romania plant with approximately 400 or 500 employees. Warehouses, we deliver our goods in EMEA region from 3 locations. The biggest one is in the Netherlands. We also deliver, let's say, more or less to Turkey from the Netherlands. The next one is in Romania, where our plant is located, and in Dubai. So yeah, we actually deliver 100% through our distribution, and we support our partners, system integrators, contractors. So you will see later on also how we are organized in Turkey. So globally, we have more than 300 distributor partners, and what is even more important, many partners. We don't have time right now to explain you our program, Partner One. You can visit our booth. We are there, and we can give you some more information. How we are organized in your country? First of all, the company from Slovenia, Egon, is a sales representative to support complete business in Turkey. So with the pre-sales, support to local distributors, project support, then marketing, like today, for example, technical support. And what is also very important, there is also one of the four briefing center in EMEA, in Ljubljana, where we invite our partners, customers, end users to touch, to see complete Panduit solutions. We have four authorized distributors acted with us as a sponsor of this event, located in Istanbul. Then we have company Ascom in Ankara, in this city, Netex in Istanbul, and Westphonics as a global company also located in Istanbul. Atlona, I will tell you a little bit more about Atlona, our AV solution a little bit later. So we have two distributors for Atlona, Vesco, and Smart AV. So we didn't change our vision and mission, but what is more important for you to understand what we manufacture, what we offer to you. Actually, we have four business units. The first one is electrical. We call it Industrial Electrical Infrastructure Business Unit. This is the business unit. Panduit was born approximately 70 years ago. I hope everybody knows Panduit cable ties, Panduit labeling solutions, Panduit grounding, bonding, cable feeds, and so on. All these products and solutions, we use them also in the network and data center solutions and projects. So the next one, enterprise, let's say cabling in general. The Panduit started with the cabling business approximately 30 years ago. So at that time, beginning of 90s or end of 80s, the owners made a decision to move from electrical also to, let's say, IT sector. And later on, we all understand that with the data center business, also Panduit developed a lot of products and solutions for data center. Last but not least, as I said, is audio-visual. Approximately 5 years ago, Panduit acquired one of the companies very strong in this market. The name is Atlona. Company is still working under this brand name Atlona, but is actually a Panduit company. Physical infrastructure is key to reliability. We all understand, but sometimes we forget actually, and it's good to remember all this data. So 59% of network problems are directly related to physical infrastructure. Sometimes we still think, oh, it's software, it's this, let's upgrade, but at the end, it's a network problem. 55% of IT equipment failure is a thermal issue. This is actually the discussion for the data center. Panduit can really help you with the design of data centers. And 70% of all network failures are attributed to network cabling. This is not our statistics. You see, a Gartner Group, Uptime Institute, LAN Technologies. So, and what is actually at the end, the passive physical infrastructure typically represents just less than 5% of investments of the, let's say, complete IT investment, total project capex. So, we all remember some years ago, we were talking about cabling, just voice and data, nothing else. But today, the situation is completely different. We are talking about the security, all digital, wireless, lightning, sensors, voice data, and so on and so on. So everything is one system. One system, almost one type of cable. And that's why this part of the investment is so important. We in Panduit, for this part of the investment, we can provide a 25 years system warranty. 25 years system warranty. Panduit guarantee. So, if you need some more information, we are here, we can discuss, and we can give you complete information about our cabling system. Data center solution portfolio. Yeah, when we speak about the data center, that there is a lot of elements, or let's say product groups. The first one, where we start usually is the cabinets, thermal management, racks, enclosures, and so on. The next one, copper system. We cannot live without copper, and fiber optic system as well. So actually connectivity, let's say. Wire routing, management, and wire protection. The next one, power environment, security, connectivity, hardware, monitoring and services, grounding and bonding, labeling, ID, and so on. So you can see mix of the data center solution portfolio is a mix of network, infrastructure, product groups, and electrical. So that's why Panduit, with experience, more than approximately 70 years, actually, we can say that we understand the data center solution, so we can really provide one of the best solutions globally. So my presentation will be available. You will all get the link. You can download. If you have any question, no problem. You can meet us here. You can send us emails. We are always at your disposal. Thank you very much.
Thanks for sharing.